Alright, here's my solar panel pergola, and I just hooked up a misting system that I picked up from Lowe's, and it was really stupid easy to get this thing hooked up. Can you see the mist? It's supposed to be in the hundreds all week here in Oklahoma, and I'll show you the nitty-gritty details of this misting system without getting the camcorder too wet. But let me show you the boxes that it came in. Like 18, 19 bucks for this. Misting system hooks right into your garden hose. And then I got the expansion kit. I'm so glad I got the expansion kit because I added more hose to it. And the way I've got it hooked up is right down there. You can see where it hooks up there. And I'll walk over here through the mist. You see that right there? Look at that. I don't know if you can hear that, but I've got a couple over here for the plants here too. So it's actually misting on top of the hanging plants there too. And I got one shooting down right here too. Let's get over here and I'll show you the details. See that there? I got it strung up on the back side so you don't see it. It's not an eyesore. The tube comes down here and it hooks into your garden hose right here. Now one thing I will get is one of those little valves so you can turn the water on and off right here so you're not wasting water. I just ran the garden hose along the back side there, not on the grass, and I've got one of those filters to take all the chlorine out too over there. See the blue filter down there? But this thing is going to hopefully keep the back patio nice and cool. It'll blow right there on the pool, right? Let me show you how I got it tacked up here. This is where the junction is for the extension hose, right there, and that's a pressure relief valve that you have to have in. And the way you hook these things up is that these little nozzles where the mist comes out, they screw in, right? With a little rubber washer in there. But you got to purge the system for a minute or so to get all the air out. Lesson learned. Now it works beautifully. All of them are spraying. So I've got 6 plus 6, so there's actually 12 squirters, misters, going on here. One, I'm not going to count them for you because I know you can count. But so it's already really nice and cool for the pool here. You know, adult size kiddie pool. You know, because it's, you know, the solar panels keep the direct sun off of it. This thing stays about 80 degrees right here. Chlorinated. And I got the new pump working here. Easy peasy. Just plugged into my system right down there. There's Coco. And let's get in this little backyard pergola slash niche nook area all good to go. Here you have it. Pretty cool, literally. Alright guys, stay cool. Later.